your lovely stepbrother. You're in the way of the camera.
That was Felicia.
That was
camera.
me. Wow, there.
That was
And
me.
Corey's coming home, so
Okay.
Piglet, save room.
I'll just take the crust.
Hey, wait. And I'll take the non-crust. He's gonna be hungry. He's been playing for 2 days or whatever. He's goose.
Gross. That was so unbelievable.
Your turn. This is getting serious.
It's not fair. I had all my good ones, like not.
They sound like, excuse me. No, not like mine.
I never say excuse me, so don't even lie. Hello? I didn't know when my phone was out.
Probably listening to my phone.
I don't remember taking it with me.
I mean, you didn't.
Just because I don't remember doesn't mean I didn't.
Cari.
I'm sucking!
I just said that.
Yeah.
Felicia said. That was me.
Are you guys really gonna post this somewhere?
Yeah. It's going to be all over my MySpace and Facebook, and it's going to be video of the
Now you
day.
guys are applying for jobs.
Who cares?
Yeah, right?
I will work in the middle of like
The interview.
the cubicles, like everybody's all quiet and everything. No, I'm just kidding. I will never work in a cubicle.
You hope.
I will never.
I'm going to work in this thing called a cave. I'll melt in the middle.
I will be a stripper before I work in a cubicle.
Well,
That's hot. No, I don't want it.
come on. Good night. Here, can you kiss me on camera? Not you, from. I maybe go.
Felicia wanted a kiss, too.
Come on.
You're consenting for me to kiss a girl?
No, I like it.
What'd you say?
Should know, because you might like it. No, I wouldn't. I haven't.
Now that I'm trying it, sucks.